Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make American waffles. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. For the wet ingredients, prepare 2 large eggs, 1 3/4 cups of milk, 1/2 cup of melted unsalted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now let's create our delicious batter. In a large bowl, whisk together your flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt until they are well combined. In a separate medium-sized bowl, gently whisk the 2 large eggs, 1 3/4 cups of milk, 1/2 cup of melted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then, pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients, stirring until just combined. It's time to cook our waffles. First, preheat your waffle iron to a medium-high setting. Once it's hot, lightly grease the grids with cooking spray or a little melted butter to prevent sticking. For each waffle, pour approximately 1/2 cup of batter directly onto the center of the hot iron. This amount usually creates a perfectly sized, fluffy waffle. Your waffles are almost ready. Cook each waffle for about 3 to 5 minutes or until it's beautifully golden brown and crisp. The exact time depends on your waffle iron. Once cooked, carefully remove the waffle from the iron using a fork or tongs. Serve them immediately with a drizzle of maple syrup, fresh berries, or any other delicious toppings you love. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.